Presenting the Bodum coffee set red K10948-294 with matching 3-cup Cafetiere, Brazil coffee press, Bodum vacuum travel mug, large Bistro Nouveau coffee glass and red Bistro spoon. Make your coffee time more perfectly with Bodum coffee set red K10948-294. Have been manufactured from borosilicate heat-resistant material. Comes with 3 cups, vacuum travel mugs, glass coffee and coffee spoon. Actually practical coffee set for you. Featuring Bodum coffee set red K10948-294, this coffee set is dishwasher safe, so you do not have to worry about the temperature of the dishwasher and the detergent, it will not cause them damage. The practical coffee set from Bodum are made of materials: borosilicate glass, plastic, silicone, stainless steel, rubber. Comes with 3-cup coffee maker special for you to enjoy the delicious coffee with you friends. Including 0.35 litre stainless steel vacuum travel mug, to make you stay enjoying your favorite coffee while traveling. And for your information, this great coffee set from Bodum has dimensions: 27.5 cm by 17.5 cm by 10 cm.